What is a big rain event? We really define that as an event that exceeds our design capacity to convey, right? So we have pipes and pumps and we can convey a certain amount. And that amount really is about 1.7 inches of rain in 1 hour. Now that's no rain before it, it's no rain after it. We've had this design standard for decades, right? This is what we designed for. So when you see an inch of rain come and then another 1.5 inches and another 1.5 inches, you're getting to the point where you're exceeding the design capacity. Now we can handle some of that because it doesn't rain uniformly over the entire district at the same time. But the reality is if it goes on long enough like that, what happens is flooding can occur.
Once the sewer pipes are full, water begins to enter the remote treatment facilities that are only used during large storm events. If the event gets very large, intense flow may make its way to overflow points known as outfalls, located along the Rouge and Detroit rivers to protect basements from flooding. Engineers and meteorologists typically refer to the size of storm events relative as how often the storm might be expected to occur. Storm events are more like playing a board game. When you spin the wheel, you may land on the 10-year, 100-year, or 1,000-year wedge, even though the 10-year wedge is much larger than those of the 100 and 1,000-year events. Upgrading the entire neighborhood, highway, and GLWA system to accommodate very large storm events would be a significant undertaking because there are over 14,000 miles of publicly owned and privately owned pipes in the networks. Solutions for these conditions are very expensive, requiring decades of planning and construction to resolve. GLWA embraces innovation and is always implementing new technologies and techniques to improve the system.